Hello guys and welcome back to the Cozy Jungle. So in today's video, I want to specifically update and upgrade my Monstera, and more specifically the one that I've got behind me just here, which is, I wouldn't say thriving at the minute, it's just surviving. Now what I want to do is combine this with this, which has just been in the bathroom collecting water and not really doing much, which are the propagations that I did a little while ago. And I want to turn both of these into one big pot. Now I've got a moss pole that's behind me in the corner. I'm going to pop that in. It's quite a tall one in the hopes that most of this is going to eventually grow. So what I'm going to do in this video today is put both of these together and then get it to hopefully climb in the future across that moss pole. So let's get started. Okay, so the agenda is nice and simple. All we're doing is using this massive pot to place all of this in. It's going to be very, very straightforward. I've already got soil mix that's in here, which is just the standard houseplant soil and a couple of extra granules to hold in some moisture. And then all we're going to do is just place these in. This is meant to be nice and straightforward. Now, I've got the moss pole, as you can see here, is very large. So let's take this bit of plastic off. Okay, all we're going to do now is just pop this in an area that we know is going to be the best position so that we can get this to grow well. So now all we're going to do is take the Monstera, we're going to pop this in. I know the root system is going to be particularly good in this. We're going to try and break down some of this soil that we've got. It's going to be mixed in with everything. The root system is fairly healthy as well, which is great. There we go. Okay, so as a whole, it is completely root bound, so it was stuck in a position where it wasn't going to grow. So we're just going to loosen some of this up and then we're going to find a spot for it to go into. Okay, so something to note with this is actually the aerial roots I ended up putting into the soil, and it created some more root systems for it to continue to grow, which is actually really, really cool. So all we're going to do now is pop it back in, and we're going to get some of these aerial roots to wrap around the moss pole for it to get a good position for it to climb even more. So we're creating a natural loop for it to climb up to. Okay, so that's what we need for this one here. Now the next step really is I'm going to use some of the wiring, the bonsai wiring that I had, just to tighten this up a little bit more to the moss pole. And then once we've done that, we're actually going to get started with the ivy. So, one bit is down. The next step is to get the devil's ivy in and to get it to loop around the majority of this pot. So let's take a load of these out and then just loop them around and spot them everywhere. The hopes is that we'll get them to climb up fairly well. Now these have been in here for quite a while, so the root systems are absolutely insane. Now I don't know if you can see, I'll get them a bit closer, but the root systems, like I said, are absolutely insane, and it's the same for all of them. So this should be really easy to just prop them in and get them to start climbing up around this whole thing. We're going to try and do it so it's fairly aesthetically pleasing. So the last thing we want is for it to look ugly.
So all I'm really doing is placing the devil's ivy right around the ridge of the plant pot. Once I've done that, I'm then going to place some of the bigger ones along the moss pole to get it to hopefully climb as time goes on, whilst the others start to drag. It shouldn't be too complicated, they're not too deep in the roots, so it should be a nice straightforward motion of just making some small holes, popping them in and refilling the soil until it's all fully complete. As you can see, I managed to use most of it, so I know it's going to turn out absolutely amazing.
And there we have it. It's all done and dusted. So nice and straightforward. We've got the Monstera, it's placed in a good position for it to grow, and then we've got all the devil's ivy, which some of them are going to climb up, some of them are going to hang. So as time goes on, we should get a really good result. This is everything. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Let's get the Cozy Jungle into as many homes as we can, and let me know if there's anything else that you would like to go through when it comes to houseplants.